So, what are the other questions for date?
I think job offer ang second
Job din. Like, what are your hobbies? Like, ano yung ginakabisihan mo karon?
I don't know, yeah, what are your hobbies? Ay, naman ang hobbies. Ay, aside from nature, what are the other hobbies?
I like reading books. Char. Joke lang.
Wow!
It's a scam. No. I like to scroll on social media.
Doom scroll. Charis.
Scrolling. And, boring yung guro ko pastorya. Pero, yeah. I like new things. Things only. Things or new experiences.
I see. So, like, parang adventurous.
Yeah, I'm very adventurous in terms of experiences. But don't get me wrong ha, kay basing ang imuhang maisip man gud it's about like experiences like dating or men. No.
No, too much defensive naman.
Defensive na ba? It's like
Adventurous
basing mo
naman.
pa gud ang ano.
Really, what is adventurous naman? Did I like try to new things, try to go to new places,
Like
taste
new
food?
places, like I love solo traveling.
Yeah, emphasize na lang.
Ano na
Kung
lang,
sa'yo
solo
meaning na
traveling.
adventure. Kung para nang gago defend daw.
Dili sa ano ha.
It's like kasi pag sinabi mo yan, it's like parang mapansin niya na it's been like parang na-misunderstood na ka too many times. Gets
Ito,
mo?
no? Okay,
Ayun.
sige. I like solo traveling.
Other than that, like, oh, I know. May crab to. Wow.
Yeah, it's just small. Kasag. I like solo traveling. Oh, wow. I like to balance my work and my social life.
Wow, abi niyo mag-interview man eh.
I like to balance my work.
You know, in that area, pwede ka mag-ingat. Actually, I remember one time.
Ayo, experiences
Yeah,
na. Like, what's
para like
the-
mag-deepen siya.
Yeah, hindi ko ganahan. Mas anad lugod ko na ako yung mag-question kaysa sa ako yung gina-ask. Yeah.
More on listener ka kasi.
And di po sila mo no story. So, it's like, okay.
Pero kasi, in order for you,
Maybe di lang dyan ko kabalo na i-insert akong self.
kaya nga, pag ganyan, pag kasi tinanong kanila, try to like deepen the topic about you ba? Like, I remember this time, ana. Or,
Yeah. Ito, no?
Or actually, I remember what I ate in the coffee shop. It's like,
I also love blueberry cheesecake. That's my favorite.
oh my god, you're blind.
Pangit. Like, ha?
No, it's not. It's seductive.
Si Duki.
Pero kasi imagine ha, I've been friends with you for like 1 year and then parang rare lang na ako siya mapakinggan. Yung ganyan mo.
Dude, I'm so sweet. Like, I'm so sweet. Na, I don't know. Sometimes, I don't know, sweetness is inferiority.
What do you mean about that?
Like, feeling na ko, no, kay easy kayo ko.
Hindi naman.
Like, kunang,
Pero parang kasing the way ka magsalita, parang may point ka sa parang easy ka.
diba?
Parang kasing ma-feel ng lalaki interested na ka daw yun sa amin.
Pag-amog na.
Pero may actually absolutely it's parang
You see?
see my point.
Tanawan pa dyan mo sa mata.
And then mura ka in love ba? And then first meeting pa lang ninyo girl. See my point.
Okay, so unsa di ay dapat may hitch.
Ayun, good. Okay lang man yung mga tono. Pangit lang man yung tono ng ako kasi exaggerated. Pero isa yung mga naman natural. But it's just that ma-misinterpret ko minsan.
Yeah, you know, the 50k guy, the old guy.
Yeah.
He was, di ba, nanawag siya to one time and he was like, sabi niya, ay, mamaya ako na isa-send dyan. Sabi niya, and I was like, oh, it's fine, okay lang, ganun. He was like, nananadya ba yung boses mo?
Diba? Ano good? Seductive good.
Ano?
Binawa ko lang.
Ay, mo, hindi lang maingon, I don't know. Or na may uban na mas kingingani, good na pa mas sweet ane. Pero di mo sila ga-comment.
Maybe it's uncomfortable for them to comment. Maybe not.
Igat ko kang boses.
Not everyone is good at confrontation. So So, ano ang
Pag girls, I think pag girls kayo, pag girls kayo, medyo ma-comment,
Hindi, why not? Pag first date pa lang, yung normal boys lang muna. Pero kasi basi, natural boys naman ang mga sa lalaki ba? So, magawa.
Sa igad yun ko, no?
Dapat na lang na
Wala mo ko uyab.
Dapat na lang na So, other than nature trips, what are your hobbies? Reading and stuff. Other than that.
It's for you to find out. That's all I can say. Dili na ako main.
So, mga question para sa mga babae. Oh, what are your favorite movies?
Movies. I prefer the romance. Romance joke lang. I don't really watch movies. I'm sorry, but I don't really watch movies. I like
Anime?
I like anime. Yeah.
Oh, really? What is your favorite anime?
One Piece. I know.
Right. Other than that,
Are you familiar with Dr. Stone?
oh yeah, that's great.
It's yeah. You know, I'm more on the science fiction side. Yeah. I like it, especially the genre is not too gore. Yeah. I prefer a vibe that it's like good vibes, peaceful vibes, and then it's more on the thrilling part, and then there's not really sad moments.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
So you're on more like scientific stuff
scientific
and the
stuff.
experience behind it. But never on the.
Not
don't like
sad.
sad.
I don't like sad. Yeah, I
Oh,
don't,
you don't
like.
like Full Metal Alchemist.
I don't. I watch.
That's bullshit anime.
Ow!
Oh my god. Edward!
Yeah.
Nahilak dito ko anong 5 minutes. Tingnan.
Ako wala akong kasabot ato, girl. So wala.
Wala ka sa boy. It's very obvious. Like, anong the
Girl,
backstory
basta
and
di
all.
mo ko gatanog ko yung Full Metal. Like,
Ina, hilak doon ko. Yawa, man yung hayop na tatay. And then, they do the math ba? Nung first time siya nakaka-create ng stones. I'm sorry, next
sige,
question.
sige.
Ano
Moingon na sila what do you look for a guy?
I don't know.
No. Like, lisod mo na yung malalaki, no? Di ba, like, unsay mo ang topic in the first week?
Usually, man din ang babae na nag-topic.
Ay, babae ay? Wala ko mahukat.
Wala pa mong katry ba na makapag-date kasi
It
dito
is
sa
the blind
lalaba?
leading the blind.
Yun lang wala ano sa mga ano ba. It just happens man din. Usually, no, it's about memory after memory after memory sa mga libro na nababasa na ko.
So, it flows naturally, like, lisod mo din malalaki, girl. It's like you have to plan the dates and all.
Wow, nagplano din sila.
Dito, banto guro na matapulan sila.
Anong point? Magpunta lang sila sa coffee shop and then saan mo gusto?
And then, i-fuck na nila ang girl. Like,
Actually, ang mga babae man usually, asang mo gusto magpunta. Sige, dito na lang pa, dito na lang pa.
ko ganahan, na ako pa yung magplano. Diba? It's like, diba kay judge your by young girls, it's like, you can't even plan a date. How can you plan a future?
Wow, madami mga babae na nag-settle.
Pero in short, pero ano, mag-settle gihapon sila sa ingan. Kailangan na dyan ako ilawat na dapat safe akong Excel. Freeze na lang ako. Ouch.
Ayaw, magkaka-date talaga ka.
Mag-date na lang
Kasi
ko.
paano ka magkaka-date? Hindi mo naman tinatry. Kunyari, kung hindi ka mag-connect sa kaya, another na po. Kung hindi ka mag-connect sa another po.
Bitaw no. Basta dili lang ako magpahilabot.
Alam mo ba na ang mga, usually ang mga nagkakatuluyan karon, they're meeting on dating sites. And then lahi mo dyan ang connection pagka nag-date shoot mo.
So, in person, nearby person, ano.
Feeling ko na in order for you to test them, hike, which is yun man yung dyan ka, second date at third date, i-hike mo na sila.
Sige, go, I'll try. Okay, I'm not gonna, dili na ko siya pangunahan sa, dili ni mag-work, So, I'll try. Let's heal our pagiging man-hater by meeting men.
Wow, ha?
Wala man tayo choice. Right? Like, what choice do we have to heal the man-hater tendency by not by meeting men?
Oh, fuck them. There's a lot of trouble. Mas interesting pa ang practice sa lalaki. God damn it. Yan naman hater mo. Minsan ako ng mga lalaki.
Sa imong papa na, uy, ako maning daddy issues. So, it's like, I'm gonna find someone that is the total opposite of my father dear.
Pwede ba na? Yung pinaka-nakatakutan ko, men change when
Yeah.
married.
Yeah. That's the fuck up thing as well. It's like,
Asa tampo lugar din? Asa talo lugar? Sabihin mo asa na, asa talo lugar?
but, paano ba na maano? Is it true or they change during marriage? Kasi tong taxi driver ha, na ako ang natok.